Exercise number 6.3. We are going to solve first problem. See what they are saying. Unless stated otherwise, use the approximation 22 by 7 for pi. The value for pi we are going to use 22 by 7 unless it is stated. Okay. First problem. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 7 centimeter. So radius is given as 7 centimeter if the angle of the sector is 60 degrees. So we need to find out area of the sector. They have given two things. One is radius and angle of the sector is 60 degrees. So for finding the angle of sector, what is the formula? Let us write down the formula first. In solution, I am going to write formula. Area of the sector. The formula is theta, or you can say x degrees. Okay, theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. So theta is nothing but the angle. Angle is 60 degrees by 360 into pi. As said earlier, we will take 22 by 7. Okay, so 22 by 7 into r is 7 square. So square means we can write it two times. Let us cancel this 0 0, and what is this? 6 by 36 into 22 by 7 into, we can write this 7 square as 7 into 7. If you want, you can write 49 as well. So 7 cancel, 6 ones are 6 6 are. So we got 1 by 6 into 22 into 7. 2 3s are 2 11s are. If we multiply this, we will get 11 7s are 77 by 3. Let us divide this 77 by 3. 3 25s are 75. 2 left. Now we will take the help of decimal. 3 6 are 18. 2 left, 0.0. 3 6 are 18 again. 2 left, 0.0. 3 6 are 18. It will goes. Okay, so we need to stop it here. So let us do something. 25.6. I just want to stop it here, so we can add 1 and it will become 25.67 centimeter square.